May question, bakit naman gugustuhin ng isang tao na maging insurance or licensed insurance advisor? Merong 3 puntos. Number 1 is financial stability. With long-term potential, being an insurance advisor offers more than just income. With commissions, renewals, and performance-based rewards, you build earnings that grow over time. Yung effort that you put in today continues to give value in the future, na magbibigay ng financial security. Number 2, flexibility that respects life's priorities. Itong career na to allows you to manage your time in a way that aligns with your life. Saan ka pa nakakita ng ganon? Whether you are a parent, a breadwinner, or pursuing personal goals, you have the freedom to balance work and family without sacrificing your professional growth. It's a career that adjusts to your season, not the other way around. Number 3, career development with purpose and growth. As an insurance advisor, tuloy-tuloy lang yung development professionally and personally. You gain financial expertise, communication skills, leadership experience, and the opportunity to advance to mentorship and management roles. Ito yung career na ang growth is intentional, supported, and rooted in service. So I hope it's clear. So kung ready ka na at handa ka ng maging maayos ang buhay mo, just PM me or comment below so we can discuss your next steps. Dahil ang gusto ko, okay ka. This is your Mama Girl. See you soon.